So yeah, what's up guys, if you lost your local disk like me, actually I was downloading a file and my local disk were corrupted. Like my GTA 5 main file will corrupt the all disk like that. As you can see, I click on DLC pack, there will come my disk has been removed. So how can I recover it? So first of all, we have to type cmd command prompt, click on it and type chk gsk. So wait, sorry, chk gsk. Okay, so here is access denied. So how can I solve this? So first of all, close it, again type cmd and don't open like open as a run as administrator. Click on yes. Now type chkdsk. After the process, the system will recover your all files. Here as you can see, they will getting some time, little bit more time. Also here is a program that, okay, so here my system is getting recover my local disks. So there is step 3 coming maybe. Yep, I think there is a 3 steps in. Yep. Okay, so they recover all the things. So what you have to do, you see here your file did not recover and you abuse me in the comment section, I know, but first of all, close it, refresh and shut down your PC.
A few minutes later,
your PC will recover all the system files. And don't get panic because your computer will make some noise. Don't get panic, nothing happens, they will recovering the files. So here you can see my file has been recovered. Wait, sorry, this PC, as you can see my files have been recovered. I click on DLC packs, they all come. And I should tell you, please do not restart the PC after the process. Shut down the PC, do not restart the PC, shut down your PC. So after this process you will get your all disk back recovered and your PCs make some noise. So please don't get panic because this is some natural process. So if you face any issue after this process, you can comment me. And if you need urgent help, you can text me on Instagram, and Instagram link in my description. And please share your feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching. Make sure you will hit like after this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.